Hi, you guys. I know this has been difficult for you for the last week, but hopefully you're taking care of yourselves. This is kind of an informative video for you. I know you didn't sign up for an online class, and it's not really clear as to what's going to happen after, what's going to happen even tomorrow. But as for right now, HACC is planning for us to deliver course instruction for about 2 weeks. My other college, Messiah College, decided the other day that they will continue course instruction online for the remainder of the semester. So that is a possibility for us too. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be rolling out content for us on a weekly schedule. So while the syllabus is still loosely intact, I want you guys to be connected to D2L and connected to the due dates, and we'll get into it, but the videos that I'll be posting there too. So first off, I want to say that my biggest concern right now is that you guys are okay. I don't want you to be stressing out. We will get through this, not just this class, but everything. We will get through everything, I promise. And something that I would really like to stress is that I want you to reach out to me. And whatever your needs are, please let me know. I will do my best to accommodate them. A lot of us are going to be home with children, like I am. My daughter is taking all of her school classes online during the day. My husband is teaching high school online during the day, and I will be delivering our course instruction during the day too. So what's that really going to look like? I'll get to in a second, but a lot of us may be having children that we have to take care of. Some of you may be taking more hours at work, few hours at work. There's a lot of stress involved. So the first thing I want to say is that I don't want to stress you out anymore. We will have options for you accessing the material in class. You may be taking care of some people who are sick. You may be, a lot of things. But right now, I want to let you know I'm in a similar boat. My husband's immunocompromised. He can't really go anywhere right now. And I have two little kids at home. But I want to assure you that I've taught courses online before for HACC, and I've gone through their e-academy training, so I have a lot of tools in my toolbox. I've also taught blended courses where we combine the face-to-face class time with online stuff. And so that's going to lead me into talking just a little bit about what this class is going to look like. So there will be approximately 15 to 20 minutes of recorded lectures per week. And I'm going to break those up into 5-minute videos. Maybe some will be a little bit longer, but what that's going to do for you is it'll deliver the lecture content for the week, and you'll be able to watch it what we call asynchronously or on your own. We're also going to have once per week an optional but suggested virtual class through Zoom. And you've probably heard the term Zoom here and there. Maybe you've even used it already. I'm going to include a widget on our D2L page. So all you have to do is click on it, and it will take you to our live class. And I'm going to put in the news feed what time our class is. Now, because my Zoom account only allows for 40-minute video conferencing, which basically what it is you don't have to have a computer. You can use your phone. And you don't have to use video. You can actually call into it too, but it just puts us all in a virtual classroom. And I have it so that it already mutes your microphone when you come in. So if you're with your kids or whatever, and it's loud, you don't have to worry about that. And what we're going to do during those Zoom meetings is really just kind of touch base about the lecture materials and any kind of questions that you have. So we're going to try it out and see how it works. And if we need to adjust a few things, we will. If you can't make the Zoom sessions, that doesn't mean you're going to fail the class. It doesn't mean anything. And I'm just trying to make the synchronous portion be available to you through that. I am recording on Screencast-O-Matic right now, which means that I'll actually be able to record my screen PowerPoints with my narration for you. Or anything else that I need to record on my actual physical screen here. and we're going to continue forward with the assignments that we have. Um, you know, I'm gonna just feel it out with you. So, but I'm, you know, very, very confident that we're going to be able to deliver the course content for the rest of the semester this way if we have to. And I know a lot of you have already emailed me and said, I'm really worried. I'm not good with technology. Um, we'll get through that. We'll get through that. If you can't make the Zoom sessions, if you're having any other kind of technological issues, you just let me know. Um, the school is going to be emailing me about the tutoring services for those of you who've emailed me about your concerns regarding needing the tutoring center. Luckily, we're halfway through our course content. And I speak across all of my 4 classes right now. So I know I'm doing one video for my 101, and my late start 101, and my 102, but late start, we're almost halfway through. And my late start 102, we're almost halfway through, but we're going to get through this. We're going to meet the learning course outcomes. And really just want to let you know that I'm here for you. I get the stress. I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. But I'm here, and we're going to be able to touch base, you know, in those Zoom meetings, and it's not going to be that scary, and it's not going to be that hard to do. But please just take care of yourselves, okay? And so I'm going to be reaching out in the next few days with emails and with the widget. And the widget means, if you don't know what a widget is, when you go on our D2L page, there's, you know, the course calendar and there's the news item. Those little boxes are widgets. So there's going to be one at the very top right-hand corner is where I'm going to put it, and it's just going to say Classroom Zoom, and it will say what time. You can just click the link, and then boop, we'll be in a classroom together. It'll look like this, and you can do it from your phone, and you can do it from your computer, and if you're having any kind of data issues or anything else like that, you just let me know. Yeah, and so this is just my first video to reach out to you guys to let you know that I'm here, and to let you know we're going to move forward with the class starting next week, and to just be sure to check some of your email and go ahead and send me some, you know, send me any questions that you have. And I'm here for you, and I hope you guys all stay healthy, okay?